Hi, this video will explain what LEDs are and how to use them safely. LEDs are a type of diode that also emit light. If you would like a more detailed explanation of what a diode is, then please see my video on diodes with a link in the description. In this circuit, I've got a 2V DC or direct current power supply in series with a 2V LED, which is currently drawing 20 milliamps, and as you can see, the LED is shining green. However, if I increase the voltage being supplied by the DC supply to say 2.1 volts, the LED fails. This is because the LED cannot handle the extra voltage and needs help to stop it from failing. The best way to do this is to add an in-series resistor which will lower the voltage and balance the difference in voltage between the supply and the LED. In order to calculate the value for our resistor, we need to use Ohm's Law, which states that the voltage in a component is equal to its resistance multiplied by the current passing through it. In this case, we want to find the resistance, so our equation will be resistance equals voltage divided by current. However, as the LED itself drops 2 volts, our equation will actually be a resistance equals voltage supply minus the voltage drop from the LED divided by the current. Let's say we want our LED to be supplied by a 12V power supply. Pulling up a calculator, if we do 12 volts minus 2, which is 10 volts, divided by 0.02 or 20 milliamps, we get the value 500 ohms. That means we need to add an in-series resistor. To test this out, we can place a 500 ohm resistor before the LED or after, although it's generally considered better practice to place your resistor before the LED just for extra safety. As you can see, our green LED is shining brightly whilst discharging 20 milliamps of current. If you want to make the LED shine brighter or dimmer, you can simply alter the value of this resistor slightly. So if I increase it to say 600 ohms, the current drawn by the LED is now 16 milliamps and is lower. If I say decrease the resistance to say 400 ohms, the LED shines brighter and is dropping 25 milliamps. Thank you for watching. Be sure to like the video if you liked it, and have a good day. See ya.